but we will be posting a YouTube video on Saturday where me and Mia will be in a video together, and you guys will finally be able to meet her. But today we're just going to read a simple story that's called No Slurping, No Burping. I'm so sorry that this is backwards, but you'll still be able to see the pictures the same way. Okay, so let's start. No slurping, no burping. A tale of table manners. The concept and pictures are by Lorelei Bove, and words by Cara LaRue. This is a book made from Walt Disney Animation Studios Artist Showcase. Let's get started. I actually got this book a long time ago, and I just love to read this book. I'm sorry. Evie and Simon always mind their manners. Sometimes they have to mind their father's manners too. On Monday, Father pounds his silverware on the table. I'm hungry, he yells. When do we eat? Oh, I'm so sorry. I would not be able to do that at dinner time. Would you? Let's mind our manners, Evie says. First, we place our napkins in our laps. And next, no elbows on the table. And no yelling, Simon adds. On Tuesday, Father eats a big bowl full of soup. Slurp, burp. I like that, very funny. Slurp and burp. Do you mind your manners like that? Do you do that at the dinner table? I don't. Let's mind our manners, Evie says. Don't start eating until everyone has their food. And no slurping or burping, Simon adds. On Wednesday, Father reaches across the table for the salad. Whoopsie! He knocks over the dressing. Oops! Whoopsie! Oopsie! Let's mind our manners, Evie says. Ask politely when you want something passed to you. Be sure to say please and thank you. And no reaching, Simon adds. Like this book so far? I do. On Thursday, Father tries to wind all his fettuccine around his fork. Hee hee hee. Ha ha ha. He tries to fit all the mushrooms in his mouth. Let's mind our manners, Evie says. Food is for eating, not for playing. Take small bites. And swallow before you speak, Simon adds. On Friday, Father is not hungry. Minding my manners is hard, he says. There are so many rules, my brain is full. Does your brain ever get full? Whenever there's so much on your mind. you don't have room for manners, I guess you don't have room for a special guest, Evie says. A special guest, says Father. Ding dong goes the doorbell. Who do? I want you guys to comment down below who do you think will be coming through that door. I'll give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you comment down below? Well, let's see. It's Grandma. It's Grandma. Hello, my darlings, says Grandma. Let me take your coat, says Evie. Grandma, Simon says. Mother, says Father. I'm hungry, says Grandma. Are we ready to eat? I'm ready, says Evie. I'm ready, says Simon. Father is on his best behavior. He put his napkin in his lap, keeps his elbow off the table, and he doesn't yell. That dinner was very tasty, says Grandma, and very classy. We've been minding our manners, Father says proudly. Time for dessert, says Simon. Chocolate coconut cake? My favorite, says Father. Good behavior deserves a sweet reward, says Evie. This is delicious, Grandma says through a mouthful of cake. Let's mind our manners, Mother, says Father. Oh, sorry, I forgot to show you the cake picture. Munching on that cake. Let's mind our manners, Mother, says Father. And that's the book. Here are some photos. Here's a list of Father's table manners. Napkin and lap. No elbows on the table. No yelling. Don't eat until everyone is served. No slurping or burping. Ask nicely for something to be passed. Say please and thank you. No reaching. Don't play with the food. Take small bites. Don't talk with your mouth full. Father's table manners list. And that was no slurping, no burping. Thank you so much for watching Michelle and Mia. This Saturday, remember, there's going to be Mia and me making a video together with fitness. So get ready to put your fitness outfit on and let's get working. See you next time. Bye. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe button.